Hello, today we will guide you through how to set up Finviz Screener for swing trading. In this walkthrough, we'll build a practical screen that highlights liquid, uptrending stocks with healthy sales momentum, ideal traits for many swing strategies. Start by opening your browser and heading to finviz.com. On the homepage, click Screener at the top. This opens the filter workspace where your criteria appear as drop-downs and your results update automatically as you go. Begin on the descriptive view. Open the exchange filter and choose NASDAQ. This narrows the universe to a tech and growth-heavy market where many swing candidates are listed. Next, set the price filter to over $5. This helps avoid illiquid penny stocks and focuses you on names where spreads and slippage are typically more manageable. Then adjust the average volume filter to over 500,000 shares. Adequate volume supports smoother entries and exits and reduces the chance of getting stuck in thin names. Now switch to the Fundamental tab. Find Sales Growth and select over 22. On Finviz, this refers to quarter-over-quarter sales growth. Requiring positive double-digit growth adds a fundamental tailwind to your technical setup, filtering for companies expanding their top line at a meaningful pace, often a driver of sustained interest and support on pullbacks. Move over to the Technical tab to align price action with the trend. For the 20-day simple moving average, choose price above SMA. This confirms short-term momentum. Do the same for the 50-day simple moving average, again, price above SMA, to ensure the medium-term trend is supportive. Finally, for the 200-day simple moving average, select price above SMA. This long-term filter keeps you on the right side of broader trend direction and helps you avoid names fighting a major downtrend. As you apply each setting, watch the results count update. You'll now have a refined list of NASDAQ stocks priced above $5, trading with healthy volume, showing at least 20% quarterly sales growth, and maintaining strength above their 20, 50, and 200-day moving averages. That combination is designed to surface pullback and go or breakout style candidates frequently used in swing trading. Before you act, remember that a screen is a starting point, not a final decision. Review charts for clean structures, nearby support and resistance, and upcoming catalysts. Consider risk management, including position sizing and stop placement, to fit your plan. With these Finviz settings in place, you'll have a repeatable, time-saving process to find quality prospects for your next swing setup.